Hey guys, here's Franz from Pulp-Tec, and today we are at our manufacturing site for Pulp-Tec Compounds. And one of the product groups that we make here is Bioform. Bioform is a paper-based granulate that we have developed and that we manufacture in our factory. I'll show it to you here. And the peculiarity about this granulate is that it is home compostable. With this granulate, we manufacture a variety of products, and one of them is plant pots. Let me show you the production. The granulate gets pre-dried and goes into the main production unit, an injection molder. Here, under heat and pressure, we mold the part into the pot and then it gets stapled. Let's look at it. The gripper takes the product out of the tool, places it onto the belt. It travels through the belt. It gets lasered and imprinted and showing that it's Bioform product and it's home compostable, which means our end customer can take the product with the plant, put it into the ground, and the pot will naturally disintegrate in the soil. At the same time, the product is rigid enough so that it can be grown in and sold at the same time, and only once it's activated by the soil around it, the disintegration process will start. I hope to see you soon with more applications. Bye bye.